Hello, everybody. We are redoing a video. We have changed, adapted, evolved our registration reservation system because the form worked okay, but we've found something better. So to reserve your spot, because we are still limited to 25 people at a time, you are going to go to our website. Da-da-da. And you're still just going to click down here on make a reservation.
Yep.
And it's going to take you to Eventbrite. Eventbrite is now going to be our reservation system, and it's super easy. You come over here to select a date, and then it gives you the most recent dates coming up, but you can also go here to filter by date. You'll see our open days, which again are Wednesday through Friday, 3 to 7 p.m., and Saturdays, noon to 5 p.m. So say you're a super planner. And you want to come on Friday, June 11th. You'll click on Friday, June 11th. And you want to come at 5 p.m. Scroll down to 5 p.m. Choose how many people are coming. You can go up to 25. But if there's not 25 slots available, you'll only see, say, 21 slots or 11 slots, however many slots are available for this time. So we won't go over 25 people, which is the goal. So we'll go with a good number of 5. Click register, fill in your name and your email. Are you a member? And click register. This will actually send you a email confirmation, so you will know what time and how many. And when you come in, you will tell us how many people. No, you'll tell us your name.
Do you have a name?
Do you have a name? Kim might ask you. And we will check you in through Eventbrite and then ask for your payment at the door. Mm-hmm. So making a reservation is still free, and you pay when you get here. Super easy. I've even had a couple people cancel their reservations. When you get that email confirmation, I believe there is a cancel button in case you need to cancel that time. You can always come back in and make another time. So Eventbrite is working out really well. If you have any issues, give us a call.
Yes.
575-492-2678. We will be happy to help you. So that is our new system.
Saturdays sell out fast, and a lot of people show up on Saturdays. So suggestion is, if you want a Saturday, get it ahead of time. Fill it out on a Monday. Or do it during the day week, because we are open from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. during the week on Wednesdays through Friday.
We are. And memberships are still on sale. So we've had lots of people getting memberships, which is awesome. If you are unaware, if you are a continuing member from last year, you get 50% off at your same level. But if you are a new member, we are doing a membership blitz at 25% off for individual and family memberships.
Which is cool, because if you want to do a family membership, it covers your entire household, so instead of you paying $50, it'll be $37.50 for a one-time fee, and it covers almost pretty much everyone you bring with you when you come to the museum.
Pretty much. And as Kim has told people, it gets you the rest of Megalodon, which is through the summer. It gets you Snoopy and White Sands, which are photography exhibits. You'll get in to see our Christmas trees and Christmas Village, and then you'll see all of Steampunk, because it'll go through whatever day you purchase. You have lots of opportunities to come to the museum, and if you have a big family, it pays itself very quickly.
And museum members also get a notification early to events and stuff when we are able to have events again.
Yes.
You get like 2 weeks early or something like that.
The membership blitz is only through the end of June, so it is a limited time offer.
Limited time. However, if you are a renewing member, you are good until December of this year.
So make a reservation, super easy. Go on our website, click make reservations, and come see us.
Make sure you wear your mask while you're in the museum.
Good point.